dear student. Today I am going to solve from chapter number 8. Let us practice 8.2. Write the number 1 is write in the expanded nation. Decimals have also place value, so they also be expanded. Okay. 1. Write in the expanded nation A 0.43. After decimal point 4 is in 10 place and 3 is in 100 place. So you will write in this way. 0.4 plus 0.03. 0.4 means there is one digit after decimal, so denominator is 10 plus 0.03. After decimal point here is 2 digit, so denominator is 100. Okay, clear? Now next one, B 0.846. Okay, so 8 in the 10 place, 4 is in the 100 place and 6 is in the 1000 place. So you will write in this way, 0.8 plus 0.04 plus 0.006. After decimal point here is one digit, so denominator is 10. Next one, after decimal point here is 2 digit, so denominator is 100. After decimal point here is 3 digit, so denominator is 1000. Clear? Now the next one, C 2.495. 2.495. 2 is a whole number, so you write 2. Okay. 4, so 0.4 plus 0.09 plus 0.005. Now 2 plus is a whole number, so just you write 2. 2 plus after decimal point 1 digit, so denominator is 4/10 plus 2 after decimal point here is 2 digit, so 9/100 plus 5/1000 because after decimal point here is 3 digit. D, E, F you will do yourself. Okay. Number 2. Write in the short form. Here is expanded form, you have to write all this in short form. 0.4 plus 0.07. So after this will be 4, so answer will be 0.47. This is it. Now number B. 0.6 plus 0.007. So answer will be 0. Just to add this one, answer will be 607. Now C. C is 3 plus 3 is a whole number. 3 plus 0.008. 3 plus 0.008. Plus 2 add down 3.008. Now D. 80 plus 4 plus 0.9. 80 plus 4 plus 0.9 plus 0.07 plus 0.07. So your answer will be 80 plus 4, both are whole number. So 84.97. Clear? E and F you will do yourself. Now number 3. Write in the short form 4/10 plus 5/100. 4/10 plus 5/100. equal, denominator is 10, numerator is 4, so answer will be 0.4. Here denominator is 100 and numerator is 5, so your answer will be 0.05 equal 0.45. Clear? Now B. 7 plus 1 by 10 plus 9 by 100. 7 plus 1 by 10 plus 9 by 100. 7 plus is a whole number, so 7 plus 1 by 10 means 0.1 plus 0.09. Now write this one. 7 plus 7.7.19. Okay. Now number C. 6 plus 2 by 10. 6 plus 2 by 10 plus 4 by 100 plus 4 by 100 plus 5 by 1000 plus 5 by 1000. So your answer will be 6 plus 2 by 10 means 0.2. 4 by 100 means 0.04 and 5 by 1000 means 0.005. So answer will be 6.245. Now D. 8 by 10 plus 9 by 1000. 8 by 10 means 0.8 because 8 is numerator, 10 is denominator, plus 0.009. So your answer will be 0.809. E and F you will do. Okay. First you will try. If you can't do, then I will solve this all. Now, according to place value in, place value in 423.876. So A, the place value of 4 is, the place value of 4 is, the place value of 4 is 400. Now B, the place value of 2 is in 10 place, 4 is 100 place, 2 is 10 place, 3 is 1 place. Here 8 is 10th place, 7 is 100 place, 6 is 1000 place. So 4 is 400, 2 is 20. Now see, the place value of 3 is, the place value of 3 is 1 place, so 3. D, the place value of 8 is in 10th place. The place value of 8 is 10th place, so 8 by 10. The place value of 7 is in 100th place, so 7 by 100, and the place value of 6 is in 1000 place, so answer is 6 by 1000. Clear? So I have done almost all from here. All of you practice this chapter very well again and again. Okay, you will practice this chapter again and again. If you face any problem doing all this, you can ask me in your group. Take care. Until then, thank you.